Hello and welcome to Learn One Soul. In this episode, I will show you how to program online by using our software. And as you can see, this is our bus servo software. You just double click the icon and open our software. And just like this. And as you can see, this is our PC software interface. And we can select None button and click the number 1, number 2, and number 3 icon. We can put them into line so that you can see clearly. We have already set ID numbers for them from the left to the right. And this one is ID 1, and this one is ID 2, and this is ID 3. We can turn on the switch. And you can see the connection light become green, indicating that the connection is successful. And now you can see how it works. Okay. This is the number 1 icon. As I drag the sliders just like this, you can see the number 1 servo rotates as I drag the sliders. And this is the number 2 icon. And this is the number 3 icon. So have you noticed that when I drag the slider to the far left, just like this, the rotation angle of this servo is 120 degrees. And when I drag the slider to the far right, the rotation angle of this servo is 120 degrees too. And that means the rotation angle of our bus servo is 240 degrees. Okay, and now we can make up some action group. We can just click this reset servo icon so that all the icon will return to the original position, just like this. And we can add action. You can see the p-value of number 1 servo is 500, and p-value of number 2 servo is also 500. So in other words, the p-value represents the current position of our servo. So you can save this action group just like this. We can save this action group as 0 action group and saved. And in other words, although you have one action, you can also use this one action to form an action group. And now we can make up the second action group that is a little bit complex. So all you need to do is to delete action, and just like this. And now we can drag the slider to the far right, just like this. And add action, and drag the slider to the far left, add action. Far left, add action. And then we can make our 3 servos return to the original position. Just reset servo. And then add action. We already have 4 actions, so we can click this button to see how it works. Okay, and once again. And save this action group to number 1 action group. We can name as number 1 action group. And this is the end of today's program. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. And now it's time for you to make up action groups by yourself. In next episode, I will show you how to program manually. See you then.